So today I'm just going to go over a few problems on the sheet that I gave you. There really wasn't any new content to introduce, so we're just doing some practice, and this is something you may or may not have to watch. If you don't have to watch it, that's completely fine. You don't need to watch it. What I would encourage you to do is to try these on your own and then check to see if you did them right once you're done, and that would be the best way to sort of help make sure you understand. So this is number one. I'm only going to do a couple of problems. This is number one. It's really done for you, but I wanted to explain what they did. The first number, when you're using a number line, tells you where to start. So we went from 0 and we started at positive 12 because that was the first number, and that's why this line's here. It goes to the starting point. The second term tells you where to go from there. Now, you saw in the video yesterday, if this second term is positive, you go to the right. If the second term is negative, you go to the left. So since this is a positive 5, we're going to go to the right 5. And we could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that puts us right here. And we can see the answer to that addition problem, 12 plus 5, is, well, 15, 16. We're at 17. And we'll come over here and write our answer. 17. So that would be the first problem. That was done for you anyways, and they actually already put the answer there for you anyways. Let's go on to, let me close that. Let's go on to one that wasn't done for you. So this is number 5. So just like before, the first number, this 8, tells you where to start. So we're going to go from 0 up to 8. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right here. So 0 to 8. Right there. So that's the 8 part. So for the next one, we're going to start at this point, at 8. And the next number is negative 13. So if you remember from before, negative means you go to the left. So, or in this case, the negative would be down. So we're going to go down 13. So I'm just going to come back to this line and start at 8 and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we're going to draw that there. And when you're actually using a number line, you probably wouldn't even make these lines. What these lines are for is to show that you know how to use a number line, or for books to demonstrate how to use it. Usually if I'm using a number line, I'll just count up and then I'll count back. So let's see where we are. If we count from 8 to 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right here. And I went a little too low, but it's right there at negative 5. So 8 plus negative 13 is negative 5. It's hard to be precise with this pen, so that's the reason it's a little off there. All right, moving to the next one. So just like before, this first term tells us where to start. So in this case, we start at negative 15. So we're going to go to 15 from 0 first. All right. And then the next number tells us where we go from there. Since it's negative, we go to the left. So I'm going to start at 15, where I was, and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is right here. So right now I'm at negative 19. And negative 15 plus negative 4 would be negative 19. So those are the only couple of problems I wanted to go over for you. I'll let you try to do the rest. If you have any questions, just make sure you bring those to us tomorrow, and we'll go over some of this before we continue.